Dependabot. What does Dependabot mean? Dependabot is a tool that automatically checks your project's dependencies for outdated versions and security vulnerabilities, and creates pull requests to update them for you on GitHub. It means you want automatic dependency updates, or you want security fixes without manual checking, or you want alerts for vulnerable libraries, or you want safer and cleaner projects. So Dependabot equals dependency scanner plus security alerts plus auto pull requests plus safer code. Why Dependabot matters? It is important because finds vulnerable dependencies early, reduces security risks, saves manual update time, keeps libraries up to date, improves project stability. Without Dependabot, crossmark you may use insecure libraries. Crossmark manual checking is required. Crossmark security issues go unnoticed. Crossmark updates are delayed. Crossmark risk of attacks increases. With Dependabot, checkmark automatic alerts, checkmark auto pull requests, checkmark safer dependencies, checkmark less maintenance work, checkmark better security. Why you might need Dependabot? This usually happens when your project uses many libraries. You forget to update dependencies. Security vulnerabilities appear in packages. You manage multiple repositories. You want automated maintenance. Without Dependabot, crossmark hard to track vulnerable packages. Crossmark time-consuming updates. Crossmark higher security risk. With Dependabot, checkmark automatic scanning, checkmark timely updates, checkmark easy dependency management, checkmark reduced risk. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios: Node.js projects, NPM, Yarn, Java projects, Maven, Gradle, Python projects, pip, C/CD pipelines, open source projects. Example: new vulnerability found means Dependabot opens PR means you review means merge. Why? Security patch applied. Project stays safe. No manual work. Basic Dependabot setup. First checks. Go to repository settings. Enable Dependabot. Add dependabot.iml file. Choose package manager. Set update schedule. Why? Automate updates. Control update frequency. Secure dependencies. Fix 1. Enable Dependabot. Use when you want automatic dependency updates. Result: Dependabot scans your project regularly. Why? Saves time. Improves security. Reduces manual checks. Warning danger. Crossmark enabling without reviewing PRs. Crossmark allowing too many updates at once. Good practice. Checkmark review each PR. Checkmark test before merging. Checkmark limit update frequency. Fix 2. Configure update schedule. Use when you want control over updates. Result: Dependabot runs daily, weekly, or monthly. Why? Avoid too many PRs. Predictable updates. Easier reviews. Bad practice: crossmark running too frequently. Crossmark ignoring PRs. Good practice: checkmark weekly updates. Checkmark group-related updates. Checkmark set clear rules. Fix 3. Handle security alerts. Use when vulnerability is detected. Result: Dependabot opens security fix PR. Why? Fix security holes quickly. Protect users. Maintain trust. Good practice: checkmark prioritize security PRs. Checkmark merge quickly after testing. Checkmark monitor alerts. Fix 4. Limit or group updates. Use when too many dependency PRs appear. Result: cleaner and manageable updates. Why? Less noise. Easier reviews. Better workflow. Good practice: checkmark group minor updates. Checkmark ignore unnecessary packages. Checkmark focus on critical ones. Daily workflow using Dependabot. Safe workflow. Enable Dependabot. Review update PRs. Run tests. Merge safe updates. Monitor security alerts. Why? Safe dependencies. Less manual work. Better project health. Secure CD. Common mistakes that break Dependabot. Ignoring PRs. Disabling security updates. Blindly merging updates. Not testing changes. Too many update rules. Why? Broken builds. Security risks. Dependency conflicts. Team confusion. How Dependabot affects teams. When done wrong. Broken builds. Too many PRs. Ignored security risks. Team frustration. When done right. Checkmark secure dependencies. Checkmark automated maintenance. Checkmark cleaner workflow. Checkmark less manual effort. Checkmark team confidence. Real-life analogy. Dependabot is like an automatic mechanic for your project. Car equals your project. Parts equals dependencies. Mechanic equals Dependabot. It checks parts and replaces worn ones. In simple words, Dependabot means automatically check dependencies, update insecure or old libraries, create pull requests, keep projects safe, fix equals. Enable Dependabot means review PRs means test means merge. Best practices for Dependabot. Use. Checkmark enable security updates. Checkmark review before merge. Checkmark test changes. Checkmark group updates. Checkmark keep config simple. Avoid. Crossmark ignoring alerts. Crossmark blind auto merge. Crossmark too many rules. Crossmark disabling security scans. Crossmark skipping tests. Dependabot helps you keep dependencies updated, fix vulnerabilities, reduce manual work, protect your project, improve security. A good Dependabot setup. Checkmark automated scanning. Checkmark controlled updates. Checkmark secure dependencies. Checkmark CD friendly. Checkmark team approved.